While I was in there getting me something to eat, that fat motherfucker wanted to clown me, talking about his ass in there getting this, getting fried chicken and shit, potted chicken, talking about that greasy ass shit. Shit, you look at his fat ass, you know the nigga been eating a lot of greasy ass shit. Shit, Popeyes, Churches, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Shit, they got millions of balls chicken. They got millions of places this nigga done went to eat. I remember one day, nigga came over here, my shit, for fucking 30 pieces of chicken. I ain't think you can do that shit. That nigga came here with that shit, boy. Talking about let's find somewhere to eat.